In this project, we are going to present what is parabolic motion and an example of a sport that uses it.
We can define projectile motion as the motion of the particle through a region of space where it is subject to constant acceleration. An object moving through the air near the surface of the Earth is subject of the constant gravitational acceleration, that means g, directed downward. If no other forces are acting on the object, then the motion of the object is projectile motion. Since we have motion with constant acceleration, the velocity at time t will be v, it's equal to v0 plus acceleration per time, and the position will be r, that it's equal to r0 plus v0 per t plus 1/2 of acceleration plus time to the square. Writing this equation in component from using r0, it's equal to 0.
The sport that we decide to analyze is soccer because we think that the ball, when the player hits it, it has actually a parabolic motion trajectory. Knowing this, we are going to solve a problem with different variables to calculate the value of h. As we can see in our problem, a ball is hit by the player with an inclination of 53 degrees at a velocity of 10 meters per second. We have to know the h, or the highest point it reaches with the ball with this acceleration, and for that we need the time. But first we need to know like the velocity of x and the velocity of y. So we do it with cosine and sine, and we have our results. And then we divide our chart in vertical and horizontal. And so we have like our data of vertical and our data of horizontal. And then to know, we have to know the time, so we could know the velocity, and then we can know the displacement in a vertical displacement. So we obtain the time with this formula, and we isolate it, and we got that in this time it took like 0.8 seconds to finally reach its highest point. So we multiply it by 2 because it comes up and then it goes down. So it's like 0.8 seconds to go up and 0.8 seconds to go down. So we have like a total time that is 1.6 seconds. And then we need to know like h. So our displacement, our formula displacement is this one, and we just substitute the values and we got 3.30 meters. And then the displacement of the horizontal part, that is this one, is we just need this formula and we just substitute the values with this velocity and with the time we got in the other part, in the vertical part. And then we know that the ball took 1.6 seconds to finish his trajectory of 9.6 meters, that is this one, and the highest point, that is h, is 3.30 meters.
In conclusion, we learned how to use the parabolic motion in daily life, also in sports. This formula can be easy to use and very fun to do it in our class.
Well, thanks for this project. We learned to apply our knowledge that we got in class in real life situations, and we actually solved the problem founding it in sport that uses parabolic motion, in our case soccer. And this is everything from us, and thanks for watching.